Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need action now. Claim and fully complete your Google business profile so searchers see accurate info. Once done, pick 3 to 5 high-intent keywords with local modifiers and map them to pages. Make sure to install Google Analytics and verify Search Console. This records impressions and clicks. Next, create one landing page per keyword, optimized for speed and a single call to action. Speak clearly in headlines. Visitors must instantly know the value. Start measuring immediately so you can iterate. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Optimize title tags, meta descriptions, and H1s with your target keywords so relevant signals are strong. Once that's done, add schema markup, local business, FAQ, and review snippets to increase SERP real estate and click-through rate. Make sure pages load fast and pass core web vitals. Mobile performance matters most. Also check canonical tags, XML sitemap registration, and internal linking to boost crawl efficiency. When all pieces connect, you'll see steady visibility gains. Finish by converting traffic into leads. /B test CTAs, form length, and lead magnets until conversion improves. Once you have visitors, follow up with email sequences and use booking widgets or live chat to reduce friction. Simultaneously, build local citations and targeted outreach for backlinks to improve keyword authority. If traffic drops, inspect Search Console for manual actions, look for recent site changes, and review server logs. One key tip: replication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.